In previous video, we have seen ABC examples. Now here example D. So in this D example, hydrogen is given at left side of the horizontal line. So when he is giving left side, so left side example, always the hydrogen has to rotate in anti-clockwise rotation. So it has to rotate in anti-clockwise direction. So without disturbing this group, without disturbing the top group, so this group will shift it to this place anti-clockwise direction, this group, and this group will shift it to here, and this chlorine shifted to this place. So it look like this: carbon, CH3. Now this C2H5 is shifted to this place, means it comes C2H5, and this hydrogen shifted here, then hydrogen, this chlorine jump from this place to this place, then it will come Cl. Now start writing atomic number 17, atomic number 1, but here both atoms are same, but here second atom C2H5 means you can write CH2 and CH3. C2H5 you can also write CH2 and CH3. So here the first atom is carbon, but here first atom is also carbon, but here second atom is carbon, but here for second atom is hydrogen. So this is a second priority. So in these two, this will get first priority, then this will get next priority. So according to atomic number, here CH3, and this will be written like this: CH2 and CH3, and this hydrogen, and here chlorine. So chlorine atomic number 17, obviously this is first priority, right? Then hydrogen atomic number 1 means last priority among the group. Then among these two, what is the next priority? This will get second priority, and this will get third priority, right? So the first priority, second priority, third priority. So how they are rotating? First and second. So the rotation is always increasing order. You must see the increasing order. So rotation is like this. So this type of configuration is S type configuration. This type of configuration is S configuration. Next example. So example E. So here example E. So in this example, hydrogen is located here. Also example, hydrogen located at left side. If hydrogen is located at the left side, rotate in anti-clockwise. This hydrogen shifted to this place, this group shifted to this place, and this group directly jumped to this place. So in this case, carbon, this hydrogen shifted to here, then it is hydrogen. This group shifted to this place means C2H5. This group jumped directly from this place to this place, then it could be OH, then it is as it is CH3. So we should not disturb this group while rotation of this group. Okay, now start numbering. So here number atomic number 8. Then in these two, when both atoms are same, then we go for this is highest second priority, right? So this is the first priority, this will get second priority, this will get third priority, this will get fourth priority. 1, 2, 3. So in order wise, how rotations? The rotation always take place like this. Such kind of rotation is called anti-clockwise rotation or S configuration. Next example. So example F. So here hydrogen is at top corner, top place. So top place means you have to shift, you have to bring this hydrogen to this place. So in this process, first you have to rotate this hydrogen from this place to this place. In the same way, this group shifted from here to here, and this group shifted to here, this group shifted to here. So let us start first rotation. In first rotation, when hydrogen shifted from here to here, then from this place to this place, hydrogen came. Then this group shifted to this place, that is CH2Cl. Then CH3 group shifted to here, then CH3, and NH2 group shifted here, NH2. So this is first rotation. Okay, still hydrogen is here, right side. So this hydrogen again, one more time you have to rotate from this place to this place, from here to here, and from here to here, and from this place to this place. So during this rotation, so hydrogen shifted to here, down, bottom, and this group shifted to this place, means it will come CH2Cl. This group shifted to here, it comes CH3. Okay, this group shifted to here, means this is NH2. So here you will get two rotations. There are two rotations, first rotation, second rotation. You should see that hydrogen should come at bottom. Hydrogen should come at bottom. Now start priority order. So here atomic number 7. Okay, and these two atoms are having same carbon atom. Second here is chlorine. So this will get first priority, second priority, third priority, fourth priority. First, second, third. So first, second, third means it rotate like this. Okay, so when such kind of rotation is there, then this clockwise rotation. So such clockwise rotations are called OR configuration. This is called OR configuration.